Return muna Thailand. Around 6 AM. So, hindi ako nakakuha ng video kasi nga nag-rush hour na. Pagdating namin sa bus terminal ng Ikamay, paalis na yung bus. So, by riding a bus, it took about 1 hour and 40 minutes. Something like that. Yeah, and then, we're so lucky because it's not traffic. So, pagdating namin sa Sriracha, sumakay kami ng boat. Itong boat na to, yan, 45 minutes. By the way, ang bus, ng pamasahe ng bus, Ikamay to Sriracha is about 80 pesos, right, per head? 80 pesos per head. Yes, 80 pesos per head. No, 80 baht, sorry. 80 baht. Then, pagdating namin sa Sriracha, sumakay kami ng tuk-tuk. 80 again, both of us. So, dinala kami sa Khao Loi Pier. Doon. Hindi kami naghintay kasi nga paalis na kaagad din. So, dumating kami dito sa Khao Si Chang. Around, what time is it? It's about about 9 AM. So, umalis kami ng 6 AM. Nakarating kami dito ng 9 AM. So, guys, ang bilis ng biyahe namin. So, nandito na kami sa Khao Si Chang. So, sabayan nyo ang aming paglalakbay. So, see you later at the hotel, guys. So, ngayon, sasakay na naman kami ng tuk-tuk. Ihatid kami doon sa hotel na binubook namin. So, yay! The view is so really good and nice. Look at, guys. Khao Si Chang is a small island. So, ikotin namin to mamaya. So, guys, see you later. Bye for now. Welcome to
Khao Si Chang. Khao Si Chang.
So, maghahanap kami ng tuk-tuk. Naihatid kami sa hotel.
Yes. No, it's a tricycle.
Tricycle? There's no tricycle here.
No, there is.
It's just a tuk-tuk,
Oh, I don't want to say tuk-tuk. You know the tuk-tuk in Arabic language?
So guys, ito na yung resort na nasa tuk-tuk pala to, guys. OMG. Yan.
Ano man?
Ano siya? Bakit ganun?
O, video
Hi
na
guys! Welcome!
Video nga yan.
Ano ba?
I-stop mo dyan.
So guys, nag-check-in na kami dito sa hotel. So, ito yung bed namin. Yan. So far, okay naman siya. Pero yung view ang panalo talaga as in. Dito. Yan. As in. Hindi ma-open yung door sa labas. So, ito yung view, guys. Wow! Amazing! Ocean View Resort. Per night is 1,600 baht. So we're staying here for 2 nights. We paid 3,200, around $100. $100. Yeah.
你就像一枪，你哭唱，你看月亮它。